Hey everyone, this is a quick video showing you how to translate a web page in Google Chrome. In this example, I am on Xbox's Japanese website. As you can see here, there's a bunch of Japanese characters, and I'm going to translate this page into English. So to translate a web page, all you need to do is go to the web page and then right-click and go down to translate, and in my case, to English, because English is my default setting for Chrome. If yours is different, don't worry, I'll show you how to change that as well. So go ahead and select Translate to English or whatever language is available. And as you can see here in the top right, another pop-up appeared, and I can change it over from Japanese, the original language that was available, to English. Now, if you don't want to have English, you want to have a different language, what you want to do next is go over to these three dots and then choose another language. And then here you can select this drop-down, and you can change it to any language that you want. So if I want to switch it to Arabic, I can do that. And now my web page is in Arabic. And you don't have to start on a different language website. Let's go over to my YouTube page, which is our default English. I can go to this web page right here, and I can right click again and translate. It's going to show my most recent translation, which was Arabic. And I can select a different language to any language. It doesn't have to be English. It doesn't have to be Arabic. It can be any of these options that Chrome allows. So I'm gonna try Hawaiian. So now my YouTube page is in Hawaiian, and this is only for me on my side. If you were to go to my YouTube page, it would still be in English or whatever language your Chrome is defaulted to. And that's a quick video on how to change a web page language in Google Chrome. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps you all in future quick videos.